Every ripple in the water could mean a hungry fish or a dragonfly nymph is nearby. But as the saying goes, even a frog was once a tadpole. Everyone starts somewhere. Some tadpoles are even known to play dead to avoid being eaten. Talk about acting skills. Tadpoles must learn quickly, as the pond is full of surprises and threats. Sometimes, a sudden rainstorm can change the water level, forcing tadpoles to adapt or move to new areas. Tadpoles have to be quick and clever to survive. They use their tails to zip away from danger, and their dark color helps them blend in with the pond bottom. Some tadpoles can even change color slightly to match their surroundings, a real-life game of hide and seek.